Hello, this is a video to show how we replace the iPhone battery on the iPhone 6 and 6s. After we have taken out the pentalobe screws right at the bottom near the speakers, and we will try to remove the connectors by firstly taking out the brackets at the top right corner. Well, you could have an option not to remove the bracket and disconnect, so by leaving the screen, the display open at a 90 degrees angle, and let it lean over a box or something. But it will be easier to remove the screen, so this is how I have done it. Once the screen is removed, we will remove the battery connector bracket screws, and once you take out the bracket, we will then disconnect the battery connector. After that, as you can see, we will try to remove the tape at the bottom, the adhesive behind the screw, behind the battery. What we'll do is we'll peel back the first battery adhesive tab from the bottom right edge of the battery and the left side. You could try to slowly pull the adhesive tab away from the battery towards the bottom of the iPhone. You could also try to pull it steadily from the side. You maintain the constant tension on the strip until it slips out. Try to pull out the strip at a 60 degrees angle. You continue to pull and re-grab the strip near the battery if necessary. If the strip breaks, try to retrieve it without your tweezers, because when you damage the battery, it is a bit dangerous. Once you're done with the first strip, we'll go on to do the second strip, and then it will be much easier to remove the battery. There you go. Still some adhesive left residue behind. You just remove that. That should do. Then we will just take out the new battery. And to fit it in, you could actually get the new adhesive. If not, just get a double-sided tape. This is for the purpose of it not moving around. So we'll just tape on one side. That is sufficient. Careful not to puncture the batteries, because it can be flammable and explosive once the battery is punctured with a sharp object. So now we have got the double-sided tape ready, and we will just place it back in a position where the connector can be fitted in properly. Once the connector is fitted in and it's all good, and we'll just replace the bracket and the screws. Now that's done, we'll replace the display connectors. Make sure that it is fitted in properly, else it'll cause some display issues. Then we'll fit in the bracket on the top right corner.